What are the business advantages? All right, cool. Let's start with, well, noise. I mean, if you've woken up to a loud leaf blower from a landscaper, been like, oh my God, what is that sound? Or if you've been in the office in a meeting on the phone or talking on a podcast like this, and you just hear there's in the back, you don't have that. If you're sitting there, running the leaf blower or the machine, and you're like listening to music, you don't have to sit there and blare it so freaking loud in your ears that you're going to get deaf just from that. The decibel level, in a gas blower is average 80 above. And, when you're hitting that, you're already hitting areas that are, damaging to your ears. Where with, let's just take the ego one, for instance, you're in the low 60s. I mean, it's considerably different. So the noise is huge. And what's cool about that too is not just what it's doing, to, the guys running the machines, but again, to the clients. Because after COVID, which is when, we switched over to electric stuff mainly because gas prices were so high. Then we started realizing all the other benefits. But I mean, the people that have come out almost in tears of just like, thank you. Because I was not able to work from home hardly with the other landscapers. We had to try and time it perfectly because, they would be in meetings and the meetings would just get pretty much destroyed because no one could hear them or they couldn't hear or they get so irritated. Or another thing is kids working from home or kids that have, some issues, with loud noises, and which is very common nowadays. I mean, it drives their anxiety through the roof. And to be honest with you, it does me too. And, it's kind of like just being in a loud restaurant or a loud concert of music you don't like. That's just kind of chaotic, or mall or anything like that. It's really nice. It's just kind of like a calm tone that you hear in the background. And it's been such an amazing gift and I guess blessing to a lot of people. But the coolest part is hearing it from the customers coming to you, thanking you for something that, you didn't really think that much into when you were getting it. But now, as, this day and age, as people are starting to more and more, change over to electric, they get it. And a lot of them are getting it because they're hearing it. We'll see a lot of other landscapers in neighborhoods that we're at, and they'll watch us, and they can almost feel bad when they're firing up their machines because they're so much louder. And it's one thing, when you got a cool sports car or nice motorcycle or something like that, and you want that. Not with a blower, and not with a mower. You don't care about how beefy it sounds. You care about how nice it cuts. And when you're there and you're having to start at like 8:39 because that's the earliest you can start those loud machines in some of these subdivisions, where instead you can show up 7 o'clock and be able to do it. And I mean, that way you can get your whole day's work done before it starts getting really stupid hot. And that's big. That's really big because I don't know where you're watching from, but here in Georgia, especially when you get into July, it gets crazy hot around the 2 to 3 to 4 to 5. So that's another big thing. Now, I spent way too long on noise, so let's go to zero maintenance. That's another huge benefit. I've already kind of got into that. No carburetors, no pull cord repairs. No hiring mechanics, things like that. Another cool thing is you don't stink. Well, I take that back. Some people just stink. Wear deodorant. Just don't change that because you switch to electric. Still wear deodorant. That's especially when you're riding in trucks with others. You're right there next to each other. You'll still sweat, but you're not going to sweat the same. You're coming out of my mouth, but you really don't. You don't have the fumes mix, like the exhaust smell, the gasoline smell it's just sweat. We can live with sweat, but again, wear deodorant. But when you're mixing a toxic smell with those BO to the TO, okay, I'll shut up. It gets bad. So, and you can actually go to lunch and pick up a sandwich or a burger and smell the delicious food, not gasoline and exhaust, because you can wash your hands, but it takes a lot to get that off sometimes. So it's little things like that that are really a big bonus as well. So noise, no maintenance, you don't stink except for BO. So try to eliminate that. You'll do the whole world a favor. Yeah, I think that's some of the big benefits. So yeah, we'll stick with that.